Oh God, thank you for Donald Trump, the American president. Donald Trump, Dr. Trump, may God bless you, may God watch over you. You are such an amazing human being. Your presence in this world has provoked my spirit. It has made me want and act with authority. It has also shown me that I also am going to do something great, and I've already done in this world. May God watch over you. God bless America. America is blessed to have you. For the few who know this, continue informing the others. You've made me love leadership through your politics. You've made me love and go deep into the American politics while I'm in Kenya and enjoy it. You know, you've made me know what to stand for my nation is. May God bless you. May you live long. May you enjoy your life and your family and the great American as you continue leading the world. I admit to that. I admit that America is a top notch in economy, in majority of things. God has blessed America with nice landscapes, etc., etc. So God bless you as you reign over the greatest country and region in the world. Much love from Kenya. America is just like Kenya. Okay, like the way America is the most loved country in the world and the most admired country in the world. Kenya is the most admired country from Africa. Not because we have much resources we have, but because of the nice people of this land. I love you so much, Dr. Trump. May God bless you. God bless your deputy J.D. Vance. God bless your government and leadership, administration, as we continue living in love in this small world. I love you, my king. God bless you. God bless America. God bless Kenya. And God bless his people in this small world.